Hey guys, welcome to Real-Time Automation. In this video, we'll see about the implicit wait. When we are trying to find a web elements that are not available immediately, this implicit will wait for the DOM elements for certain amount of specified time. Now let's see an example. With respect to driver, we have an implicit wait of 10 seconds and we have a n number of web elements like username, password, checkbox and login. When the element is not available, maximum time it will wait for 10 seconds. Once we specify the implicit wait time at the starting of the driver, it will be same for the each and every web element till the driver is closed or quitted. Let's see an example in PyCharm. Now right click on a Python Selenium project and then click on new and then click on Python file. Now we will create a implicit wait.py file. Now we'll go to conditional commands.py file and we'll copy the same code and we'll paste it in the implicit wait.py file. Now we can see the time.sleep is specified to 5 seconds. Time.sleep will wait for the 5 seconds even though if the element is available for the 1 or 2 seconds. Now we'll run the implicit wait.py file. Now the Chrome browser will maximize and then it will load the freelancer.in URL. As we are given a time.sleep as 5 seconds, after entering the two strings, it will wait for the 5 seconds and then it will click on the next button. After clicking on next button, we are seeing what skills are required. Now you will be having a question. If everything works with the time.sleep fine, then why we are going to the implicit wait? Let's do a simple math. Now we have a 10 web elements. After each web element, we will specify a time.sleep of 5 seconds. The execution time of the script is 50 seconds. Out of 10 web elements, 8 web elements are taking for an about of 2 seconds to load, and 8 into 2 is 16 and 2 into 5 is 10. Overall 26 seconds it is taking to execute one script. That is the reason we are going for implicit wait to minimize the execution time of the script. Now let's remove the time.sleep and we'll run the implicit wait.py file. As we remove the time.sleep of 5 seconds, before the next button becomes enabled, it will try to click on the next button. So that is the reason we are not able to see what skills are required field. With respect to driver, we will call the implicit wait and we'll set the time as 10 seconds. And we'll run the implicit wait.py file. The implicit wait of 10 seconds is applicable for all the elements till the driver is closed or quitted. Whenever the web element is not available, the implicit wait will wait for maximum amount of time is 10 seconds. But whenever the element is available for 2 seconds, it will perform action on it. As we given an implicit wait of 10 seconds, it will wait for the enabling of the next button and then the click action is performed. Now we can see what skills are required field got displayed. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.